Good morning. I accidentally overslept. It's 11:50 right now, and we gotta be at the boat place at 12:15. It takes 15 minutes to get there, but with valet and all this stuff like that. So I'm running a little late, so I really gotta haul ass. But we're going on a boat today, so let's go.
More fish in this fish tank. It's crazy. We just arrived. We took this cruise 3 or 4 years ago. It's a Dolphin cruise, right? And they were really nice. We didn't see any dolphins, but they gave us a return ticket. And they said it never expires. So now that we're here, about 3-4 years later, we're doing it. This is really nice. They have a memorial here for all the men and women who were lost at sea. And now to the boat. Alright, we're on the boat now. But I've created a feeding and that's our hotel.
This is brigantine. We're going to be on the beach of brigantine for most of our day today. So here's your natural air conditioning for the next hour. So up the beach, the winds at our back, all the way back, the wind in your face, the wind down.
Alright, we just docked. Now off to lunch. We decided for lunch to stop off at, Lucy the Elephant. I'm fine with stopping in a gift shop, and I said I'm fine with just stopping in a gift shop. Yeah. This way. That's Lucy from the front. So the plan is to, Hannah and Mom right now are in Lucy. Then we're gonna go to this burger place and grab a quick lunch. Then we're gonna head back to the hotel before we need to get ready and walk to the Shinder. You like that milkshake?
The best ever.
Oh, very good. We just finished with lunch, and let me tell you, custard, fucking amazing. We're gonna go back to the hotel, get ready for tonight, then we're gonna walk over to the Hard Rock for the comedy show. Then we're off to the Sugar Factory for dinner, and then we're gonna go back to the hotel room and sleep because tomorrow, we going to Pittsburgh, and we've got a special day, very special day actually, planned out. So I'll talk to you later at the hotel. See you then. We're back at our hotel. We're gonna take a nappy time for about an hour, and then head out to the Hard Rock for the comedy show and then dinner. We're on our way to the comedy show. Then the car and then we're gonna go to the Hard Rock. Show just ended. It was really fun. A lot of great magic tricks, really great warm-up comedian, but now we're going to dinner at Shinder.
Non-alcoholic. It's a lollipop. We have to take pictures.
This is
Better
alcohol.
be non-diabetic.
Because she told her.
Go ahead.
Oh, no, Dad.
We're non-alcoholic? This one is.
And this is the high tech. What is it? Why do we only get one?
Why do we only get one?
Notice how the alcoholic one bubbles a lot, like much more.
Whoa, very exciting.
Here, this is the little diabetic that couldn't.
Don't show this to anybody. guys. Look at me. Look at me. Give a thumbs up, Jacob.
Is it good?
Yep, send that to Dexcom.
In honor of Jacob's new home that the insurance has to approve.
Jacob's getting so defensive. You're gonna stop. This is my milkshake. This is my special moment.
I just wanted
You can't ruin my thunder.
Happy birthday
to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sandy. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Drink. You're not funny.
Oh, God.
You want your kitty cup? Alright, we just finished dinner at the Sugar Factory. It was really, really good. It's about 12:30 and we gotta get the ballet. Alright, I got my souvenir. I got my drumsticks from my drumstick collection and a t-shirt that says Hard Rock Hotel. They have one from the cafe, but now it's a hotel. So, cool. So it's about 1:30 in the morning. And we're outside at the same place where I had breakfast yesterday. This is the perfect place to end a perfect vacation. I've had a lot of fun here in Atlantic City. Like, here's the thing. Vegas is geared towards family. Atlantic City, not so much. I definitely feel that being 16 and taller is a much more enjoyable experience here than 11 short and pudgy. Yeah, facts. It's a great place to be. Great city. A lot of entertainment. We've had lots of fun. So, I'll leave you with this gorgeous view of, as my grandma calls it, the LSD Ferris wheel, and what's left of the showboat, otherwise known as the shit boat. And we've got a great day planned for tomorrow. We're waking up fairly early, 10 a.m. We're driving 5.5 hours to Pittsburgh trying to get there for Kennywood. So I'll catch in with you later. Signing off from Atlantic City. Goodbye.